Hi everyone. Let's quickly revise greetings and self-intro. Starting from the first vocabulary word that we have. This is ni hao. Ni hao. Good morning. Zao shang hao. Zao shang hao. Zao shang hao is a daily greeting, but when you informally greet people in daily language, informally you use zao a. Zao a. A is used as an expression here. It has no meaning. Just as a filler word, you can say. Zao is early, morning. Good afternoon. Xiao hao. Xiao hao. Good evening. Wan shang hao. Repeat after me. Wan shang hao. I, me, myself, 我. Third tone, 我. To call or to denote. So this word is specifically used in introduction. 我叫 I am called as. Informally saying मुझे इस नाम से बुलाते हैं या मेरा नाम है 我叫 and your name. This is how you introduce yourself. When you are in a formal setting, you say this properly. My name is this. There you use the vocabulary name for the vocabulary word for name. 名字 名字 मतलब name. 我名字 मेरा नाम my name. Now, how do you form that structure of sentence? Should is, am, are, to be. तो जब हम nouns और proper nouns discuss करते हैं, वो मेरा friend है, मेरा नाम ये है, मैं एक teacher हूँ. Whenever we are talking about any name, place, animal, thing and pronouns, should denote करते हैं. है use करने के लिए, is denote करने के लिए. 我名字是 whatever your name is. My name is. 中文 Chinese language. One refers to script written, and when you read and write, the entire script is called one. Zhong is Zhongguo wala Zhong. So China ki script is Zhongwen. Zhongwen. Student 学生 学生 like 喜欢 喜欢 no negate 不 busy 忙 second tone 忙 你 is you. A different subject 你 so 我 你 I, me, myself, you, me. Okay. Now let's come to the sentence structure. So the basic sentence structure that you have to remember is subject, verb, and object. What you have to keep in mind. Subject, verb, and object. I eat food.我吃饭. Okay. See, 我吃饭. I eat food. If you are mentioning the time, I'm eating food at 12 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., whatever the time is, time will come here. 我 time 吃饭 If you mention the place also. For example, you mention the place also here. At home. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. at home. So at home will come here. 在家吃饭. Time, place, location हमेशा पहले आता है. खाना खा रहे हैं, किसके साथ खा रहे हैं, कैसे खा रहे हैं, वो बाद में आता है. Okay, this is a basic structure. I'll explain you in detail when we move ahead. Got it? Now I'm busy or I'm very busy. We don't have any object here. We don't have any verb here. 我 adverb will be 很. यहाँ पे adverb के बाद हमेशा adjective आता है जो कि optional है. हर sentence में नहीं होता adjective. 忙我很忙 I'm very busy. ना इसमें टाइम भी है ना प्लेस है ना वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट है तो जो भी एप्लीकेबल है सेंटेंस के हिसाब से वो स्ट्रक्चर में फिट हो जाएगा. You can also say 我忙 I'm busy without using 很. Okay? These are some singular plural words where this is called ch. Ch. That is na. Na. These is the plural form of this. So CA is some. SOME. So this and some becomes ch. CA. Ch. CA. Those, that and some becomes na. CA. Na. CA. Now when you specify something, specifically tell about something or want specifically something, this one, that one, you use ga for this one. Ga is a measure word here. Measure word is something we'll be doing later on. But when you specify something or quantify something, you use measure words. So ga is one of them. Ga, ye wala. Na ga, wo wala, that one. Okay? Some very important location words. 这里 Cha is this, li is inside. This and inside becomes here. 这里 That and inside, there. 那里 Na, third one is which, right? So which and inside becomes where? Question word. 哪里 third tone. 哪里 So there or where में सिर्फ एक tone का difference है. Fourth and third. You have to be very clear in your tones and your context whenever you're speaking both of them. 哪里哪里哪里哪里 Na is again which. Here. Moving on to the basic self-introduction that you generally use whenever you're meeting someone for the first time. 你好，我叫 your name. Hali is the Chinese name for Harry. 你好，我叫 and your name. Okay? 我是中文学生. I am a Chinese student. Student is a noun. We have used 是 here. Got it? 我是中文学生. Next is 很高兴认识你. 很 is very. 高兴 is to be happy. 认识你 认识 is to know someone in person. बहुत खुशी हुई या बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके. 很高兴认识你. You can translate this in English in n number of ways. Happy to see you, happy to meet you, glad to meet you, glad to see you. Good to see you, good to meet you. Anything is fine. 很高兴认识你. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you so much.